Hi bro, I want to show you how to make it live data show on PHP along with what we calling PHP runner, and I just tested it's working fine. Okay, example, now I keep it in this table. This is the table of this one live. All right, and I connect it by this one. I'm going to close browse, and this is the data index, and this is the data. Very simple and easy, everybody can know this very well and quickly. And let you know, I just arranging like I keep it image, uh, and this the all description. Okay, I keep it title, name, profession, that created, like this what I'm following here, and image as well. And this the connector of the mysqly, and this the how to configure up to live show of the data. If you import the data in your database, is very easy. Just only simple can make show the Ajax creating is make it show. Okay, and then load of 10 seconds, or you can keep 20 seconds, never mind, 60 up to 60 seconds. Okay, now example, and this is the ID of the show from here. Right. You can change it if you not to make it sure. All right, show live. This is the ID div of the connector. Now let us see how it's working this one. And okay, now some I have that already here, and this is the database. All right, I'm going to brochure, and now I'm going to change this name. Like how many seconds I keep it? This is 20 seconds. Should be this one. Change it. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. This is the because I changed the location, so it's not going to happen. Okay. Now I'm going to test again. Sample data. If I click here, it will be automatic change it. Look, and sample. Look, and if I create totally, I'm sure the date will be changing. Um, all right, the date is simple. Okay, now I'm creating insert new. Okay, name sample post number 2. This is sample post working live data show, and sample, and this is for photo 1.jpg. So now this one 1.jpg. Okay, before I update this, I will copy some picture, any kind of picture. All right, okay, like this one. Here live data, I keep it here. I paste here. So creating here one. Now if we're going to save this, it will be show automatic. Look at. Okay, what happened to the picture? All right, picture is wrong. .jpg like this. Okay, when the wrong, it will be blinking. So very simple, guys. Like you can create like sample token system, and I can show like here in the data. I just show how many title. Remove this and make it sure this one is alright. Alright, now I'm going to save it. We will see now. See, it's automatic coming big. Look, the bro, even you arrange from the your coding. Sample now, creating S3, so little bit smaller. I make save. See, remove the strong. Save. Okay, strong is no effect. Okay, so now if you total remove this, let us see and save it. So guys, it's very easy to creating the data life. Like if you example token number 1, ting ting ting, and you can configure blinking everything here. So everything will be work easily. I'm gonna share the script, it's simple technique, alright, to my blog, and you can check it very well. Sample live data PHP mysqly. Alright, I'm going to sample now. I post it and I share it this one, and I keep it in my YouTube channel, and you can copy paste. And I'm going to share also index, the script. Alright, index file. Alright, now, so this is just very easy and simple how to show the data live when you are update in your database. It will be show direct like what you show now. Again, one more time. So I'm going to insert any name. Alright, I'm keep it like gp2.jpg. I keep it the picture 2.2.jpg. Alright, we can directly, it is blinking because I didn't keep if there is no image, it will be show no image automatic the board. That's why it's blinking. So I'm gonna to take the picture from everywhere. Example now, I'm take it like picture from everywhere. Okay, this is the 2, and I keep it here inside of this. When I keep here, copy paste here, You will see now there is not blinking anymore. So this just gets very simple and easy how to make it the live data show of PHP language and database. Alright, not only in PHP you can keep SQL Server, PHP admin, everything. Alright, thank you very much.